Watch the controller screen with us as we perform the CCC Mode waypoints. Watch as we get 3 notices that our waypoints are not far enough apart. Okay, let's try to do better on that. Let's save our 6 waypoints and then we'll fly them. Be sure your throttle is set all the way to rabbit. Then push the left stick forward to fly in ascending order or pull it back to fly in descending order. The craft flies the waypoints really fast, but notice that it aims the camera exactly where you set it on each waypoint. Here's an eagle's eye view. You'll need a large screen to see the ST16 Plus. The craft is white, but its shadow is black. This video clip was recorded by the TH Plus. Here are several scenes from Happy Valley. Thank you for watching. This is, of course, a BazaCat production.